Hi, I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, I'm making overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great way to prepare your breakfast the night before. So when you wake up, all you have to do is get up, stir it up, and eat it up. It's the quick and easy way to have a nutritious breakfast with no extra sugar in your breakfast. So let's get started. Hey, while I'm at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. To get started with this recipe, all you need is a container or two that you can cover up with a lid of some sort, whether that's a mason jar or a Tupperware lid. You need your oats. I like using the old-fashioned oats because a lot of their nutritional integrity has been kept in place. If you use something like quick oats, there's two problems with that. Number one, they're going to be extra soggy in the morning, and number two, the nutritional value is weakened because it's been processed. Cinnamon and raisins and apples and strawberries. You can put in whatever kind of fixins you want. If you want to put blueberries in there, blackberries, there's really no going wrong with this. This is just my choice. And then you want to put in some milk. I like using almond milk because it stays fresher longer than if I were to use like whole milk or even skim milk or 2% milk. So I'm going to add 1/2 cup of oats in each one of my in each one of my containers. This recipe comes together so quickly, you have no idea. I just take a few minutes at night, put it together, and then boom, in the morning, I'm ready to go. Okay, so to my 1/2 cup of oats, I'm going to add just a handful of raisins. I like raisins, some people don't. So if you like them, put them in. If you don't, leave them out. I have about 2/3 of an apple that I'm just dividing evenly in between these two dishes. I'm also going to put some strawberries, some fresh strawberries in there. I'll put those in actually the morning that I eat it because if you put them in now, they tend to get a bit soggy and just kind of not so attractive. So I'll wait on that. Also put in a dash of cinnamon into each one. It's probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon in each one. And then put in 1 full cup of liquid, whether you're using a whole dairy milk or if you're using a plant-based milk like almond milk or even oat milk. It's 1 cup of liquid to a 1/2 cup of the dry ingredients, which is the oatmeal. If you have a mason jar, seal that thing nice and tight. If you are using a Tupperware dish, just seal it up, put it in the refrigerator, and that's it. Seal these up, put them in the refrigerator. By the morning time, they are ready to go, and you can top them with some more of the fresh ingredients. Like if you want to put your strawberries in, you can put your strawberries in at that time. If you want to put some fresh blueberries or blackberries or even banana, I like to have mine with some banana as well. I hope you get a chance to make these overnight oats. They're super duper delicious, easy to put together, and really versatile. You can add whatever ingredients you'd like to it. Also, if you like what I'm making on my channel, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave me a comment. Tell me if you've made them before or what you think of this recipe. And another thing before you go, if you like my breakfast recipes, go ahead and check out my breakfast playlist. I'll see you next time.